Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some GoRhino RB30 Slim running boards, and I got them in the matte finish, and it's going to be something that I needed on this truck with the ZR2. It comes with a 2-inch lift. My kids can't get in as easy to the back of the truck, so I'm going to be installing these, and it'll keep it clean, not too bulky, just the way I like it on this truck. I don't want something sticking out too far. So let's check them out. So here we have the GoRhino RB30 Slim, and I got it in the matte texture. I didn't like the material that they had on the other option. That basically looked like a bed liner finish. Just didn't like that material catching on a knee or something like that, or a shin. So went with this matte texture, and gonna get underneath here, get these brackets installed. There's 4 points that you have to connect the brackets, the main brackets, which, by the way, didn't come with the purchase I made. I thought I was getting an amazing deal. It was like, I don't know, 200 and something for the steps, and I opened it up and realized these guys weren't in there. So the instructions said they were sold separately, as you can see right here, sold separately. So I called Real Truck, got them purchased, got them at the house, and they finally came today. So here we go. Let's check it out. All right, so we're under the truck here. As you can see right here, we're going to pop these off. And the instructions vaguely show you the spots. You obviously have to line it up with how the brackets sit on the actual steps. But this is the bracket right here. It's got 2 bolts connecting here. We're going to pop it on there, and then we're going to go down to 3 other spots, connect those, and then right there is where it sits for the steps. So let's get these popped off and bolted on loosely until we get everything all set up, and then we'll tighten it down. Okay, so I got the first one loosely on, and what's nice about this on the ZR2, so they're already pre-threaded. It's just 2 spots for the bolts, and these little plugs in here. Now you can pop them out a little bit, and then you just got to twist them off, and then they just loosen up like a screw, and they just come out, which is nice. Makes it really easy. We'll continue on the next 3. All right, so we got the first side done. Pretty easy to install. The U-bolt brackets go in between there. As you can see, there's just 2 that go from underneath. You line them up, and you just torque it down, and with a wrench, and pretty dang sturdy. Let's check opening the door. Yep. Now it's inside as much as I wanted it. I don't want it way too far out, so basically you just step to the side and get up. Looks good. So here we are. The finishing touches on the RB30 GoRhino steps. I think they looked amazing on the ZR2 here. Let's go around the front here. Get to see the look. I think it looks clean with the blackout package that I have. Let me know in the comments, would you choose a bed liner style material, or do you go with this matte finish that I chose? And do you like the slim, or do you like the regular size? I like the slim because It just hides it well. It kind of is like a half rock slider and step. I think it looks good on this truck. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Hope you like this video. We'll catch you on the next one.